Hello, good morning. My name's Gargi. I'm one of the newly qualified doctors from Imperial College School of Medicine, and today I'm just going to talk you through what we do on a regular day as student volunteers.
Hello, PPE Hotline, London speaking.
The junior doctors contributing to the pandemic have been absolutely amazing. I think everyone's working incredibly hard.
So these students in their volunteering roles are doing a range of clinical and non-clinical tasks, looking after patients, writing patient notes, doing basic observations, and they're also doing a range of non-clinical or administrative tasks as well in the community and GP settings. Every morning after taking phone calls from the different wards in the hospital, we come downstairs here and we prepare orders that we can then send out to the wards.
This morning we've been going around all the wards helping out with taking bloods, and then the rest of the days we've been on the wards helping the nurses with their duties and just anyone who needs any of our help, no matter how big or small we are.
Take the dirty goggles from the wards and we put them in this solution called Vercon solution. We leave it in there for 10 minutes, and what that does is that cleans them up, gets rid of all the bacteria and germs and everything, and then we leave them out on the bench to dry, and the next day, once they're fully dried, we deliver them back to the wards where they will be used.
Thank you very much. So I spend the sort of average day, I'll go to the ward, basically say that I'm there to offer any helping hands for anything that the staff may need, as well as sort of going around different wards and helping with blood taking, which has been great practice and has helped out those who don't have the time to do it. Quite challenging being involved with the care for patients because everything is changing very quickly as we learn more and more about the disease. So it's been a really interesting learning experience to be part of the COVID response here.
We're all in this together. I think if we combine our efforts, do the best that we can ultimately save lives in